Hello friend, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. Hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how to turn off Google AI overviews in search step by step. Here we are in Google, and so you don't like AI being in search results. We are going to guide you through turning this off. Make sure you are watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Overviews you may go and miss an important part of this. Let's go start. First, you have to click on three dots on the right side of top. Then you have to go to settings. On the left side of settings, there are many options. You have to click on search engine. Then you have to click on manage search engines and site search. Then little bit scroll down and there is a button called add. You have to click on add. Then you have to give a name. I'm giving the name Google without AI. In the shortcut you can write @web. Then you have to copy a URL. I will keep this copy in my video. Then you have to click on add button. Then you can see Google without AI is in your already add, and there is a three dot. You have to click on three dot and then select make default. After doing this, open a new tab and again you can search ecosystem, which I showed you before, and hit enter. Now you can see there is no overview, AI overview. I have made these settings in my Google Chrome browser. If you want to make the same settings in your Edge browser, then you have to open your Edge browser. I will show you now how you can do these settings in your Edge browser. To make these settings in your Edge browser, first you have to open your Edge browser, then click on three dots on the top of your Edge browser, then go to settings. Then you have to click on privacy search and service option. Then you have to click on search and connected experience. Then you have to click on address bar and search. Then you have to click on search engines, and you will see add search engine button here. You have to click on it. Same, you have to give a name. I am giving the name same, Google without AI. In shortcut @web, and there is another URL which I will also keep in my video for you. You can copy from them. I'm copying this URL now. paste it in the box. Then you have to click on add button. Same process, click on three dots and then you have to click on make default. Now new settings is done. If you open a new tab, then you can type ecosystem, and now you can see there is no AI overview. This is very easy process. If you follow the systems, overview will not come again in your browser. That's it for today, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Techie Dialogue. Hope you will try this at home and let me know your experience. That's all for today. Thank you, take care and goodbye.